Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit templates in Asana. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. The first step is to go right here to my workspace. Click on it, and now this will appear and you can go right into all work tab. So click on it as well. Now right here in the templates you should see option show options right here next to your template. And you can edit this template right here. If you have multiple templates, just open one and you can edit it from here as well. So click on edit, make your changes and edits to this particular template and press done, because all edits will be auto saved, as you can see. So press done and you can close this when your changes are done. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.